French onion soup is a traditional bistro dish. The main ingredient being onion. It is both affordable and delicious. To make the French onion soup and to use your white beef stock, you will need sliced émincé onions, red wine, flour, tomato paste, dry thyme, dry basil, bay leaves, butter, grated Gruyere cheese, white beef stock, seasoning and bread. Melt the butter in a large casserole. Raise the heat, medium to medium high actually. Move the butter around to melt it faster. You don't want to burn your butter or to color your butter, okay? So just melt it, then add your onions at once. And stir. Cook your onions on medium-high heat until the onions are totally melted down for about 10 minutes, stirring from time to time. So here my onions are pretty juicy, you can see here. So I'm going to increase the heat a little bit to almost high, because I want to evaporate those juices here. Ideally, you want your onions to brown, so you want to color them. That way you will develop lots of flavor on your onions. If your onions are very juicy and have difficulty to brown, then add a pinch of sugar, like about a small teaspoon. This will help to caramelize your onions. Our onions start to color, but they're not brown enough yet. So stir. Make sure you pick up, you see you transfer the color from the sides and the bottom to the onions. When the onions are golden, then deglaze the pan with some cold water, about half of a cup, and stir. And pick up the color, on the sides and on the bottom to transfer it to the onions. That way that will prevent them from burning. You may have to deglaze the pan, which is the action to add some liquid in a hot pot in order to dissolve the bits of flavor. You will have to do that maybe a couple of times more until your onions are really golden brown. When the moisture is gone and the pan is dry on the bottom, then add the flour over the onions. We call this part to singer, which is the action to add flour on a hot solid in order to thicken a liquid later on. Stir. So make sure you don't see any more flour, otherwise you may create lumps. Cook the flour for about a minute, then add the tomato paste. And stir. Cook the tomato paste on medium heat for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then add the water, a cup. You can see the pot is brown here, so we're going to just scrape that up. There we go. Then add the wine and the stock. Stir. Make sure all the onions are in the liquid. Smells good. Add the herbs, basil, thyme, and the bay leaves. Stir again. Bring the soup to a boil and simmer for 15 minutes. When the soup is boiling, remove the scum, if any. This will come from the onions and the wine. Then stir. Simmer the soup for 15 to 20 minutes. Next, let's make our croutons. Slice the baguette into about half-inch slices. So you will need about 2 slices per person. Place them on a tray or a baking sheet. Toast the bread in your preheated oven at about 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 8 to 10 minutes, or use the broil setting. That will go much faster. But in any case, don't burn it. Keep an eye on it. When the bread is golden, then turn it or flip the slices. And toast the other side. Then place your croutons on a cooling rack. Our soup has been simmering for about 20 minutes. Then season with salt and pepper. Stir. Then taste. Smells wonderful. We can smell the onions, a little bit of the wine, and of course the stock. Very nice. Maybe a little bit more pepper. Good flavor. You don't want to have the soup too salty, however, a little bit, because the cheese will be salted or will add extra saltiness to the dish. Those are French onion soup balls. They are oven proof. If you don't have the same, I will suggest that you check if your balls are oven proof. Serve the soup in those bowls. First of all, go fishing and remove the bay leaves. So I put 2, there we go. Then serve the soup. It smells wonderful. So make sure that you have equal amount of liquid and onions per soup bowl. A little bit more here. There we go. Clean the bowls. Overwash the soup. If there's any drops on the sides, those will burn. Place 2 croutons side by side on the top of each soup bowl and garnish with grated Gruyere cheese. You don't want to have a thick layer, but you do want to have something uniform. And you do want to have all the bread totally covered by the cheese. Otherwise, the bread will burn. Then place your onion soup on a cookie sheet or tray and take it to the oven. Place the onion soup balls under the broiler on high. Leave the soup there for about 1 to 2 minutes, depending how powerful your broiler is. You want the cheese to be melted and golden brown. Wow, nicely done. Place on your plate, et voilà. Enjoy French onion soup. Bon appétit.